Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be making marshmallow and Milky Bar crispy squares. But before we get into this, please do me a favour, like this video, share it, subscribe and comment, because that all helps with the algorithm. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to put some butter in a deep pan, and I'm going to liquidate it over the hob. Okay. What you might want to melting it so that until it's all turned into a liquid consistency. And I'm taking it with me. As you can see, it's now a liquid consistency now. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some Milky Bar buttons and the marshmallows into the whole packet of marshmallows into the pan. They only get out there. Okay. Stir that in evenly. Now, stir it real hard so that the bottom of the pan does not burn. Okay, so I'm now spreading out the mixture evenly. Spreading it out evenly, like so. Right, okay, so after you've done that, you will want to leave it to set for a few minutes or so. And now to melt the chocolate topping. Okay, just going to pour some water in the pan. And boil it, and just put a mixing finger over it. And now I'm going to pour some more Milky Bar buttons in. Learned this trick while I was at school. And going to melt the chocolate buttons. Yeah, they'll begin to start melting almost instantly. This could be better than melting them in the microwave. So as you can see, the chocolate buttons are now melted. 2, 1. Okay, so I'm now going to pour the melted chocolate into the on top of the cake. Okay. Okay, also while I'm filming here, while it's in my mind, guys, I've also got a TikTok account for those of you who are interested. So the link will be in my bio to it. Okay, so let's or of course you can do a search as well. So okay, so once it's on the cake, you want to spread it out as evenly as you can. So I'm going to sprinkle some hundreds and thousands on here. Sprinkle some of these. As much as you can. Just to cover. Okay, so look at that. Gonna leave it a couple of hours to set. Okay, so set, the chocolate set and the crispies are set. So now I'm gonna cut it all up into squares. Okay. Okay, so there you go. Got a look at that. Right, okay, so that's it for another video. Thank you so very much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe and comment and share and all that, because that sure does help with the algorithm. And also don't forget to check me out on TikTok if you're not watching this from TikTok. And also do remember, if you want to learn to cook, whether or not you are autistic, do remember, I have your back.